Hi everyone, welcome back to HobbyRocks. It's Tracy here, and this is the winner of my giveaway. My very first HobbyRocks giveaway, which went on a bit longer than I imagined it would. I've just been inundated and busy. So anyway, this is the winner's video, and just to let you know, there is another giveaway also going to pop up anytime now. So the winner was chosen by the random comment picker, and I made sure that that person was a subscriber and that they had answered the question when it wasn't a difficult one. It was just asking what they wanted. So my winner is Amanda Taylor from Bridgend. I thought I'd say from Bridgend because it's quite an ordinary, and I don't mean that in a bad way, but it might be more than one Amanda Taylor. So I just thought I'd let you know. It was Amanda Taylor from Bridgend. And if you look in the description box, you'll find my email address. And if you wouldn't mind just dropping me a line. And Amanda chose a mystery box, which, do enough, everybody chose a mystery box of some sort or another. And somebody did, I was reading down them, and when I was just checking them off and stuff, and someone would have liked a mystery box and a little box of biscuits. I don't sell those, but maybe I should. What do you think? Perhaps I should put those in the shop. Who knows? Anyway, still lots of teas there though. Well done to Amanda. I know it's been a while. I do apologise. I hope you check this and somebody give her a nudge if they know her. And thanks for watching and for everything that you've done for me so far over there at www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. And I have to say that there's going to be a new voucher code coming up sometime this week, if not imminently, and another giveaway which I'm going to film in a sec. So thanks for watching. Bye for now, everyone.